Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be a freebie alert video and it's feelunique. Now I've opened it up so it looks a bit of a mess of a box, but this is what it looks like when it arrives through your letterbox. So as always, if you're new to feelunique, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious to see what products I've chosen this month, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So feelunique has an online massive beauty store. You can buy everything beauty related. They offer a sample service called Pick and Mix. You can do this once a month. If you choose your products on the 1st of June, you will not be able to do it again until the 1st of July. Now you can choose up to 5 sample products from their website, which has around 11 different pages. They have got a ton of samples for you to choose from, and that's all it'll cost is your postage and packaging of £3.95. So you're getting the samples for free. Also, once you receive your samples, if you log online, go into your account, look under, I think it's voucher codes and gift vouchers and things like that, click on that and it'll show that you have got £3.95 credited to your account to be used on any future purchases. Now you can accumulate a couple of those up as well, so you can use that against any other purchase on the website, which is amazing. I ended up getting this month's Pick and Mix samples for free, didn't even pay postage and packaging, so completely free. So in order to be able to get these samples, you do need to sign up to their newsletter. So once you've done that, then you have access then to choosing the samples. The easiest way to find it is to go to the search bar or type in Pick and Mix samples and it'll come up and you're able to look through it then. So the samples have their own drop down menu to the side. You're able to choose samples that are either hair care, skincare, makeup, men's skincare, what have I missed? Perfumes as well. So if there's something specific that you want to look at first, you're able to do that, and you're able to choose the size of your samples. Not literally like, yes, I'm going to have like all 30 mils of products, not that, but you're able to gauge roughly how big a sample it would be because of, it tells you whether it's a card, a sachet, a tube, a vial. So you know if you've got a tube, then you know you're going to get a good, say, 5 mil, 10 mils plus. Also, you've got in the drop down menu, if you do it regularly like me, you can click newest and all the newest products come up. Now there's no particular day or date that they release new samples on their website. It's pretty much potluck. So whenever I find really good samples, I will let you know on Facebook and Instagram, which is the same name as my channel, Diaryofabeautygeek, and also on my Facebook page I'll post up the actual products that I've chosen as well. So if you're interested in choosing the same, you will know that I've literally just chosen those and they are available then, because some of the good ones, they tend to go super quick. Now we've had amazing samples in the past. This is a service I 100% recommend you checking out. Even if nothing really takes your fancy, definitely dip in there, in and out, because they're free. And it's a great way of trying brand new products before you buy in the full size, because you don't want to be spending a fortune and you're not going to like the product. So I recently had a Nars Laguna bronzer. Hold on. I think I received it about 2-3 months ago. Look, it's a little mini. And it's got a mirror. You can see it's dirty. I absolutely love this. I love it so much that when it's all gone, I am going to be spending a £31 to get the full size one because I love it that much. It is an amazing bronzer, but if it hadn't have been for Pick and Mix service, then I probably wouldn't have even tried this or even thought, oh, let's have a go, because I am not going to go out there spending like 30 odd quid on a product if I'm not sure if I like it or not. So that's why I 100% recommend you taking a look, and especially if you've got something on your mind but you're unsure, especially like a foundation for instance, but you're not sure whether to get it or not, then have a look, because you never know, there might be a sample version for you to try. But let's show you what the products I chose this month then. So the first item, it's by Lumine, that's how I think it is anyway, and this is a Glow Reveal Moisturizer, contains vitamin C, and this is a 15ml pot. So a really handy size, like to take away on a weekend away, or a really good just handy size just to have in general to try. So you get a really good feel for the product to see if it's suitable for your skin. Oh, it's pink. That's what it looks like there. So it's got vitamin C. Oh, it feels really nice and thick. Yeah, nice subtle but fresh sort of smell. That'll last me quite a long while. I'm really chuffed with that, so that's the first item I chose. Next is a concealer by Benefit, and it's Benefit Boing. And this is in shade, what is it, number 2, and it's the Airbrush Concealer, and it's 1.6 grams. Online it looks like it's a card. You know when you get those cards and you just peel the foil and then you get the sample where it's like a liquid form, so then you dab it on your skin and use it that way. So it looks like it's that, but one of you lovely lot messaged me and said that no, it's not what it appears, it's a proper sample. So I had to get it then. Had to get it. Now I did own a full version of this, but I ended up losing it somewhere in my bedroom, and then I found it and it dried out so badly. It just, yeah, it was just not usable, but it's such an amazing concealer. I wish I knew about it when I had acne. I'm on strong medication to stop my acne, but before I was on the medication I had really severe like T-zone cystic boil type acne, and yeah, concealers, my gosh, I would have loved this because it does cover spots, redness really well. I'll show you what it looks like now. Look at this. It's cute little sample. Cute little sample. I'd say it's a full coverage concealer. So I'll just show you there. No, but it's nice. Really nice. I think they've still got them on the website as well. So there's that one there. Next we've got a Cover FX foundation sample. This is quite new. They do have a lot of products that have been on the website for a long while. Maybe over a year or so. But this is one of the new ones that have come up, and it's Power Play Foundation, and I've got it in shade N20, long wearing coverage with a mattified weightless finish, and yeah, it's airbrushed matte finish, so that's what it looks like there. So yeah, a decent size, definitely full face, maybe 2 applications there. Depends on how heavy-handed I am applying it. But yeah, so that's my third item that I chose. And then the next one is by Oranges. It's not by Origins, it's by it's by Origins. And it's a brand new product that they've released, and it's Mega Mushroom, and it's Relief and Resilience. It's a soothing treatment lotion, and this is 7 mils. So it looks like there. Now I received a larger version in this month's Asos box. If you don't know anything about Asos, it is good. It's not a subscription. They just bring beauty boxes out once a month, right at the start of the month, and they cost around £12 a box. And this is one of the products that was inside it. So when I saw that feelunique had one as well, I wonder if it's the same size, because I'm sure it didn't say that it was 7 mils, because normally it tells you how many mils you're getting, but I'm sure this one on the website, it didn't actually tell me. So I thought, well, this is a mini. I might be getting the same size as this one, which would be perfect if I like the product. I haven't even tried it yet because I only received my Asos product a couple of days before I did this order. But yeah, a soothing treatment lotion. It just sounds so nice, and it's by Dr. Andrew Whale. So yeah, no, I don't know why I'm showing you that one. The bigger one is from Asos, so that's the one I chose. So it's a little mini version of that. And lastly, I chose a mask, and this is by Star Skin, and it's a 7-second morning mask, and it's the Secret Revealed. And what else does it say? 7-in-1 Miracle Skin Mask Pads. 1 treatment, Korean brand, and it contains 10 mils of serum in there. Hopefully you can see, because the ring light is a pain when it comes to things like this. Yeah, can you see there? So it looks like a little pad. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to use it another time. But yeah, it shows you on the back there. So it's little pads that you use to cleanse your face. But it says mask pads. Cleanse face and pat dry. Use the beaded side, gently massage the skin for seconds. Flip over, pat in the serum, and you're ready to go. It's not really a mask then, is it? A mask to me is something that you leave on your face for like 5 minutes to 20 odd minutes or whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go. It's something a bit different. So those are all my items. As you can see, they're pretty good sample sizes, they're well-known brands, and it just gives a chance to try things, isn't it? Some things, you know, you might not like, but it is free. These samples are free. Just pay postage and packaging. And if it's a regular thing, then as I said, you can use your code for $3.95 off your next box, so that you'll get that 100% free. So you're no more paying. So yeah, so definitely recommend checking out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.